So I want to give a quick demonstration of how to put together this nice shoe rack. So you have an end piece, a plastic piece, and then you've got these metal rods, and you slip them into those holes. Now I did find that it's best to use a hammer and tap them all the way in. It just works better that way. Then you want to take another metal bar and you're going to slide it into this little opening in the, there we go. Come on, work with me. And this is what makes the shelf. So you slide that in about like so, and it's going to go over the top of that. And then you're going to put it there, tap it in, and there it is. It's solid. And then we'll do the same idea on the other side. Get that guy to open up. Put the bar in. As you can see, it's not complicated. There's nothing difficult about it. It just takes a little time. So it's all the way in. So now we're ready to put this piece on the end. So you line it up, tap it in, and now you've got a shelf piece. And then you use these smaller ones to attach on top of here on this brace. And then once you've got that set in, then you can add this on top. Pretty easy, just takes a little time. I recommend this